Now let's look at example number 3. In this example, we're going to be finding areas of trapezoids. The trapezoid has an equation to find the area, but it is a rather complex equation to remember. So what I like to do is to decompose it into shapes that I do know, like triangles and rectangles, and then put it together to find the area of the trapezoid. In this particular example, they're telling us that the trapezoid is a scale drawing of a garden plot. So that's a garden that you're looking at there. We're going to draw a diagonal in this particular trapezoid from A to C. And notice when we do that, we break it into two triangles, ABC and ACD. We're next going to find the area of both of those triangles, and then we're going to add them together to get the area of the entire trapezoid. So I'm going to start with triangle ABC here, and then I'll do triangle ACD. For both of them, I'm going to be using base times height divided by 2. So I next need to plug in my dimensions for triangle ABC. Triangle ABC the base has to be one of the lengths of the sides, and the height is perpendicular to it. So we can see that we have a base of 8 and a height of 5 meters. Third step, evaluate. I get a total area of 20 square meters for that triangle. Now for the top triangle, I'm going to use the base of 4, and the height is the perpendicular distance from that base, that 4, to its opposite angle, which is A. So if I extend those out, this would be my height. And notice there's like a little rectangle inside there. That is the opposite side of the other height, which is 5. So we're going to be using 4 by 5 divided by 2. That gives us an area of 10 square meters for triangle ACD. And then we're going to put the two areas of the triangles together to get a total area of 30 square meters for that particular trapezoid. Now, I'd like you guys to try this part right here. They want you to draw another diagonal, split it a different way. They want triangles ABD and BCD. So what that means is you're going to have to draw a diagonal this way, find the area of those two triangles. Now, before you guys do that, what are some other ways that we could find the area of that trapezoid? We split it into two triangles, but if we look at it, there's other ways that we can solve this as well. If we know this is an isosceles trapezoid, we could split it up into two triangles and a rectangle and add those parts together. Another method might be to draw imaginary lines around the outside like this, making a rectangle, find the area of that rectangle, and then simply subtract away these two outside triangles. However you find it, remember there are more than one way to find areas of complex figures. If one way doesn't work, try another way.